Good afternoon, everyone. This is Brad Matheny. This is an update to my gold cycle patterns. Today, the 25th of July, we should have been moving into a rally phase. But as I indicated yesterday, I believe the markets have moved into a deeper contraction phase, which is really, in my opinion, related to the changing U.S. politics. The new Kamala Harris Democratic campaign, and the fact that we had, as of last week, last Friday, we had a Biden Trump campaign where both sides knew kind of what we were going to get on either person winning. And now, with a Kamala Harris Trump ticket, we are looking at a bunch of unknowns. And I believe that the deep selling pressure that we're seeing in the markets, you can see here the Nasdaq's down 130, Dow's up 214, SPX is up 13 or down 13. German index is down, Japanese yen is down, Bitcoin is down, and gold is down. You can see this is a gold chart. We'll take a look at a daily. We've got a lot of selling going on right now in gold, and you can see this deep downward trend. I even brought gold up here on this standard deviation channel or regression channel index. We've got some very deep selling on moderate volume. To me, this is fear playing out, temporary fear related to yesterday, what I call the Kamala Shakeout. And I believe this is going to be a very short-lived move. I think gold's going to turn right back around and rally like it normally does after a fear cycle. And I believe the goal here for metals is to hold up in this support level. So let me come over here and show you that this lower 2350 roughly area is the support level. I'm watching. I need to see it stay above this green level here because we need to see gold continue to make higher highs and higher lows through this rotation. But you can see here, let me give you an example. Here's Monday, here's Tuesday, here's Wednesday, and here's Thursday. Well, what happened yesterday? Markets collapsed on what I call the Kamala Shakeout. Remember, prior to that, back over here, we had Biden. This was Friday last week, Biden going into COVID location safely. We had worries about him potentially moving into a less active mode and lots of concern about his mental capacity and his age. And now you can see how gold had rallied up into, an expected cycle, rolled back down into support, and then consolidated Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yesterday, the markets were down hard on the Kamala Shakeout, is what I'm calling it. And I think gold is now reacting to that move today. I think that whole thing winds out with a good, solid upward reversion back into this 24.25, up into 24.50, 24.60 area, maybe up to 24.70 by end of next week. But this is, to me, a shakeout. And you can see it here. This is a deep shakeout low. I think just like we saw here, and I think we're going to revert back to the upside 24.50, 24.60, 24.70 over the next 5 or 10 days. And I think we're going to get a lot more clarity with regards to Trump and Kamala and the U.S. political scenario. And that's probably going to drive the SPY back into these highs. So remember, we have the SPY is trying to struggle down near these lows right now. This is a bottom reversal pattern on my SPY cycle patterns. I see us moving back up into this 554, 556 area over the next probably 5, 6, 7 days. So we'll see how this plays out. But I think this is a big shakeout related to the changing U.S. politics and uncertainty. So I even wrote this yesterday. This was my comment about Kamala. What the heck? I think that's kind of what the markets are doing right now. What the heck? What are our expectations? What does she bring to the table? Is she a viable candidate? Even if she wins, what are her policies, plans, and expectations? So there's a lot of uncertainty that's going to play out here, but I think we're going to see this roll right back up into this consolidation channel, 555, 554, 556. And as I mentioned to you, gold will do the same thing. We'll roll back up into that 2450 to 2470 area and try to consolidate probably within the next 5 to 10 days. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Talk to you soon.